We've been working on narrative writing pieces since the beginning of school. So today we gathered in the 1919 and students just presented in front of their classmates to start displaying their pieces on a document camera. We really encourage them to learn public speaking. Students have been thinking about small moments that happened in their life, and we've been using those small moments to expand their writing ideas. We've been focusing on learning how to describe character feelings, to use dialogue in their writing, to have a beginning of their story that grabs their reader's attention. So we are teaching students to read through their writing to make sure that their ideas and their whole story is being told effectively and efficiently. And we're teaching them that, their writing doesn't have to look perfect always, but it needs to include all the parts that make their story their very best.